Hey guys, it's Jack here and thanks for tuning in. In today's quick Android tutorial, I'll show you how to change the lock screen password on a Samsung phone. Updating your lock screen password regularly helps keep your device and personal information secure. Open the settings page. The settings menu is where you can manage and customize different features of your device, including display, sound, notifications, privacy, and security options. Next, scrolling and see the lock screen option. On some Samsung devices, this may appear as lock screen and AOD, always on display. Tap on it to continue. If you don't see this option, you can also find similar settings by opening security and privacy, depending on your phone's software version. Now tap on Secure Lock Settings or Screen Lock Type. Your phone will ask you to enter your current password, PIN, or pattern to verify that it's really you. This step is important for security and prevents unauthorized changes. After entering your current lock method, you'll see several options for a new screen lock. These may include pattern, PIN, or password. Choose the option you prefer. For example, if you select PIN, simply enter a new PIN number, then confirm it by typing it again. Once confirmed, your phone will automatically update the new lock screen password. If you found this guide useful, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more easy Android tips and tech tutorials.